Okay, I'm going to try to show a knife from start to finish. Be a little bit of editing, hopefully, so it won't look too bad. Give you a quick view of my shop. I got some safety equipment sitting here that I'll be using. I have safety glasses on my face right now. Got the respirator, got the face shield. Got the Dremel tool on the stand, some files, drill bits, a couple vices. Got a drill press. There's my steel. Then we got a handful of sanders that all have different rolls. And then the buffers. Okay, I got a bucket of water right here. I use that to dunk the steel in as I'm heating it up. As I'm grinding it, it heats up. I cool it off with that. So steel we're using today is 1095. I got 3 knives to make. Got a really well organized chart, keep track of what I'm doing and when I'm doing them. So get that out of the way for now. The 3 knives, actually, bring that back. 3 knives that I'm going to be working on right now are the drop points. I got 2 drop points to make, one with a wood handle, one with micarta. He didn't tell me what wood he wants, so we'll see what I give him. I don't know. I got a clip point, which is about the same knife. So those are the 3 I'm working on today. Those are in 1095. So they're about 9 inches long. Let's take a measure. Let's see if I can set my camera someplace handy. Hopefully that'll give me what I need. Take a measure. We'll mark it at 9. Actually, I'll go probably 9 1/8. Mark 18 1/4 and 27 3/8. Get them marked out. And then I'll take it over to the bandsaw and make a cut. I got a couple of them cut out now. Now I usually just kind of go by feel as far as my designs. The only mark that I'll put on it is the separation between the handle and the blade, which is about 4.5 inches. And I know I said I'm doing 3. That might work. I'll put on my respirator, grab my gloves, and I'll get cutting. Hopefully I'm a better editor than I am a camera mole. So now we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, the next step is to find center on the blade. Whoops. The center where the bevel is going to go. There's a couple ways you can do this. And I have a jig that I bought from Texas Knife Makers that'll scribe that. You just set that to the depth you want and you can scribe it. But there's an easier way if you don't have a tool like that. Take a measure of your steel. Now I know that this is 3/32. I'm sorry, 5/32. So you find your index, 5/32, and you just pick the next smaller size drill bit, which is a 9/64. And you use the center point, which will work as a scribe. So the way you do this is you lay your bit down, you lay your steel down, and you just scratch it in. Just like that. You do both sides. And what you'll end up with, if I can get this on camera, I don't know if I can get it on camera, but what you'll end up with is 2 marks, and that'll give you the center and the width that you want to leave the blade. Let's see if I can find one that's a little bit easier to identify. Now if I roll that, I guess you can kind of see it. So that's what you're after. And that mark will be the center of the blade when you do your bevels.